What if you never typed best running shoes for flat feet under $120 into Google again? What if your AI agent already knew your gait, your budget, your sustainability values, and quietly sourced, compared, and pre-negotiated 3 perfect options while you made coffee? That's not the future. It's already unfolding, and it means the era of keyword search is quietly ending. Search was built for scarcity, limited screens, limited data, limited attention. But AI thrives in abundance of context, behavior, and intent. Instead of pulling information with queries, we're moving to pushed experiences, AI agents that anticipate needs before we articulate them. Amazon's anticipatory shipping patent was just the start. Now, tools like Shopify's AI-powered Sidekick or Google's experimental shopping AI don't wait for prompts. They analyze your past purchases, calendar, location, and even weather to suggest. Your trail running shoes are at 78% wear. Rain expected Saturday. Refresh now. The real shift is from products to outcomes. You don't want a blender. You want 30-second smoothies for my kids before school. AI understands that. In beta tests, conversational shopping agents ask clarifying questions. Do you prioritize quiet operation or power and generate comparison tables, not links, with pros, cons, and ethical sourcing notes? No more 27-tab Chrome chaos. Retailers are adapting fast. Walmart's AI conversational commerce pilot lets shoppers text a virtual stylist. Need an outfit for my sister's wedding. $150 max. Navy or sage. Nursing friendly. Within minutes, a curated rack, try-on at-home option, and carbon footprint estimate. Conversion jumps 34%. Returns drop 22%. Because fit and intent are understood first. But power shifts. Today, Google and Amazon control discovery via SEO and ads. Tomorrow, your personal AI agent becomes the gatekeeper, and it has no loyalty to brands. It optimizes for your goals: lowest lifetime cost, fastest delivery, highest repairability. That's why brands are racing to feed rich, structured data into agent marketplaces, like NVIDIA ACE for retail or LangChain's shopping plugins, so they're findable in the agent-to-agent economy. Privacy is the trade-off. To work well, agents need deep access, receipts, measurements, preferences. The winning models will be transparent and user-controlled. Here's what I inferred. Edit or delete anytime. No black boxes, just trust, built transaction by transaction. This isn't the end of shopping. It's the beginning of intentional consumption, where tech doesn't manipulate desire, but clarifies need. If you're building, selling, or just trying to stay sane in the age of AI, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Tap the bell icon for our latest on Innovation AI, where we explore not just what's coming, but how to thrive in it. Because the best deals won't be found anymore. They'll be understood before you even ask.